Hey guys, this is Max Kalschmidt from Anchor 23 Marketing Agency. Here's your free website audit as promised. I really want to point out that I like how you have your number here, and I notice you have a lot of contact information throughout your website. I also really respect the senior and military discount. That's awesome. The three main things that we're going to be talking about today is content, citation, and backlinks. So I copied all of your content on this front page, your home page, and put it in here, and you guys have 430 words, which actually, as you can see, this is the number one competitor. You have quite a few more than him. And number two, almost double, and number three, you're well surpassing, which is great. However, if you really want to rank on Google and keep that number one spot, then you're going to want about 1,500 words of content-rich keywords. The next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. So I take y'all's URL and I'll throw it in this tool that I use. I'm going to throw it in here. And it'll kind of just show us your website's health and the amount of backlinks that you have and how they're doing. So right here, you want these numbers to be as close as possible to each other. As in, if you were to divide them, you want them to be equal to 1, if not close. So that's, you're about halfway there. You have 57 backlinks, whereas the number one person has quite a few more than you. Number two actually has the most here, and I'll show you. But their backlinks are a little bit spammy. There's quite a few in there that aren't actually passing power to them. And the number three, I'm just showing you guys where you compare to the top three. It'd be relatively easy to rank over these guys. The third thing I want to show you is you guys have 40 citations, and you're pretty close to beating people on this. But you don't really just want to match them, you want to go over and beyond. So if we could double that up almost, then you would for sure rank number one. And when I'm talking about ranking number one on Google, I mean this right here, painters in Baltimore, is a keyword that gets about 300 search volume each month. So that's 300 people that are searching for the service that you offer. And if you really want to rank, especially getting this Google Map Pack, which gets about 65% of the customers that type this in, you could be bringing in a few hundred more customers. So I hope that this was worth your time. I hope it educated you a little bit. If you have any questions or anything, always just hit me back. Thank you.